Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are well. Welcome to our English class. Students, today we will read lesson number 3, The Daffodils, which is a poem written by the poet William Wordsworth. So, let's read the poem. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills. Okay, vales means valleys. Wandered means moving out without any work, like moving here and there. So the poet is saying, I wandered lonely as a cloud. The poet is saying, like he's moving alone here and there, like a cloud. Like clouds are moving, that floats on high. Okay, like the clouds are floating, they are moving in the sky, very high, in the very high sky, and over the valleys and hills. So like the clouds, I was also moving here and there alone, when all at once I saw a crowd. Then what happened? At a moment, I saw a crowd. I saw a lot of things together. A host of golden daffodils. So, what the poet saw? The poet saw like lot of golden daffodils, like lot of in a much number. Okay, and a number of daffodils together beside the lake beneath the trees, where लेक के पास और trees के नीचे there are number of daffodils the poet saw fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Okay, they were happily dancing and like they are joining with each other, like they are joining the hands with each other, and they are doing the dance, and they are making fun and enjoying in the breeze. Like when the breeze is blowing, the wind is blowing, so with the wind, with the breeze, the daffodils are moving side to side, they are dancing and they are enjoying. Continues as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. Like in the Milky Way, in the milky sky, the stars are twinkles continuously. In the same way, the daffodils are enjoying dancing with the wind, with the breeze. Okay, continuously. They stretched in never ending line. So here the poet is saying like वेयर देयर द साइट ऑफ द पोएट रीच, मतलब जहाँ तक वो देख सकता था तहाँ तक उसे, वहाँ तक उसे डेफोडिल्स डेफोडिल्स ही दिख रहे थे लाइन्स में. along the margin of a bay. Bay means part of a sea or a large lake partially surrounded by a land. Okay, बे होती है पार्ट ऑफ सी और लार्ज लेक, एक लेक का या सी का एक हिस्सा होता है जिसके ऊपर थोड़ी सी लैंड भी होती है. ठीक है, तो कहते मार्जिन उसके साथ साथ, बे के साथ साथ दूर दूर तक डेफोडिल्स ही थे. 10,000 सॉ आई एट अ ग्लैंस. सो ग्लैंस होता है इन अ लुक. सो कहते एक ही लुक में आई सॉ लाइक देर आर 10,000 डेफोडिल्स टॉसिंग देयर हेड्स इन स्प्राइटली डांस. Sprightly means full of life and energy. So, like the poet saw near about 10,000 daffodils in one look, and it seems like they are moving their heads in a happy, in a very energetic mood, and they are dancing. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. So the waves is here the, like जैसे हम कह सकते हैं नदी में जो लहरें होती हैं, लाइक हाउ द वाटर फ्लोट्स इन द रिवर. सो उनकी लहरें जो थी पानी की वो भी डांस कर रही थी, बट द स्पार्कलिंग वेव्स, बट दे आउट डिड द स्पार्कलिंग वेव्स इन ग्ली. ग्ली मीन्स द हैप्पीनेस एंड delight. Okay, when they are very, like they are very happy and they are very delight. So waves भी डांस कर रही थी उनके साथ ही. ठीक है, बट उनकी जो चमक थी, ठीक है, उनकी खुशी की जो चमक थी उसने उसको भी मतलब कवर कर दिया था. अ पोएट कुड नॉट बट बी गे. गे मीन्स हैप्पी एंड फुल ऑफ फन. ओके, इन सच अ जोकंड कंपनी. जोकंड मीन्स चीयरफुल. तो कहते पोएट कैसे खुश ना होता ऐसी खुश दिल वालों की चीयरफुल कंपनी में, चीयरफुल डेफोडिल्स की कंपनी में. I gazed and gazed but little thought. Okay, so then the poet is saying, gazing means looking. Okay, the poet was looking at them and looking at them, but then he thought, what wealth the show to me had brought. तो उसको लगा कि ये देखो इन्होंने मुझे कितना मतलब अच्छा खजाना दिया है, कितना अच्छा इन्होंने मुझे खजाना जो है, दौलत जो है वो शो किया है, ऑफ द हैप्पीनेस एंड enjoying एंड डांसिंग in the nature. They have given me such a great wealth. For often when on my couch I lie. So here the poet is saying like whenever I sit on my couch in vacant or in pensive mood. Okay, vacant means the free. Okay, or pensive means sad and worried. So the poet is saying like whenever I sit on my couch, whenever I am free or I am in very sad or worried mood, okay, they flash upon that inward eye. ओके, तो कहते हैं मेरे आगे एक झलक आ जाती है उस टाइम की, विच इज़ द ब्लिस ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड. सॉलिट्यूड मीन्स स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग अलोन विच वी फाइंड प्लेजेंट. मतलब उस टाइम की मेरे आगे फ्लैश आ जाती है, एक झलक आ जाती है जब मैं अकेला था और मैंने डैफोडिल्स को देखा था. एंड देन माई हार्ट विद प्लेयर फिल्स, और कहते मेरा दिल फिर खुशी से भर जाता है. एंड डांसेस विद द डैफोडिल्स, और डैफोडिल्स के साथ डांस करना शुरू कर देता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इन दिस पोएम the poet is actually describes the beauty of the nature, like in the nature how the clouds move, how the daffodils uh, dance, sing and enjoy in the wind, like everything in the nature, how everything in the nature is enjoying. But we human beings sometimes feel sad, so we should not feel sad. We should see the natural things. We should spend some time in the with the nature, and we should also feel happy and delighted. So I hope all of you liked this poem. So thank you very much and have a nice day.